Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you my Paris in Spring subscription box from Simply Gilded. I know you've seen this before, but I'm more than happy to share it when I get my items, and if they are a little bit late or not mainstream, well, it is what it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you don't want to watch something that you've already seen, try my plan with me, because that's unique to me, so I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. Anyway, let's get this open and get started. So the theme for this subscription box was Paris in Spring, and you can see that it's gold foil, and the box is really nice. Unfortunately, I don't do a lot with boxes, but if you cut this and use it as a bookmark, it would look really nice. So the box came also this time around with a Juniper XOXO. So this is a little toy, and it would be a surprise when you get your box. You can get one of four types of Juniper. You can get the blue dress, the green dress, the pink dress, and the yellow dress. Now, let's see which one I got first, because I think I would be more interested in that if I was to watch a video, to be honest. So we're gonna start with that, and as usual, I'm terrible at getting things. Hang on. That's why I have pointy, sharpie objects. Oh, I think it's the pink one. This is so cute. Let me put this away. So that is the Juniper, and she is so cute. It is, I don't know what material this is. No idea. But you can see here on the, you can see here on the toys, pause, that she has Simply Gilded 20. So I think this was designed in 2020, and I am so happy with mine. I'm really am happy. I'm on a neutral tone kind of vibe lately, but I still love pink. I still love everything that comes with this color, and I couldn't be happier with this Juniper. So that's one of the surprises. The other one is in here, which is the mystery item, which I don't remember what it is, to be honest, because it's been so long. So let me pull all of this out without revealing much. And we have the first problem because mine got dented. That's a shame. That's okay. I can live with it. Okay, so the box goes away, and I'll reveal the first item, which is the band vellum. Sometimes I just get really angry. I don't know if it was banned during packing or shipping, because maybe my courier opened the box to see what was inside, but not happy about this. But you can fix it. You can just put some weight on it and it will be fine. So the first one is this beautiful cream color with this, I don't know, abstract pattern. And then you have this print floral with no foil. So that is the vellum, and I will put this back on the packaging and make sure that it stays like that, pressed between books. Next you have the die cuts, and I'm gonna take all of it out. First of all, this beautiful. I would absolutely use this as a decoration for my planner because it's stunning. So this is gonna stay here, and you have the die cuts. So you can use these die cuts as die cuts, or they are sticker die cuts, and you can use them as sticker on your planner. So you have the little cafe scene or table. You have the bicycle, which is so cute. The foiling is amazing. And finally you have the high tea card. So that is the die cuts. Then you have, let's see what you have. This is the menu card, not very interesting. You have the B6 size book. I love the cream color, really do. And this, if I'm not mistaken, is a blank one, or line or dot grid, but it's beautiful. So you have the bow on the front and you have La Vie en Rose on the back. The other thing you get is the pouch. So this pouch is blue on the inside and it has a lining on the inside. And this time around you have this division, which usually she didn't include. It was just a pouch like that, but this one is really nice. So you can use this as a wallet. It would get dirty really easy, knowing myself. So there's that. And finally you have the sticker kit, which is so beautiful. I love the color scheme. It is really, really a beautiful color scheme. And okay, so the sticker kit has a few items. The first one are the icon dots or icon hearts. So they're cut, kiss cut in the shape of a heart, and you have a lot of icons here. Then you have the date dots and also a few other icons on this cream background. You have some bow seals, and then you have the kit. So the kit is composed of 2 pages. On one of the pages you have, okay, so the first page you have your date covers, 2 full boxes on the top, deco here in the center. You have your washi headers. You have some icons in flags, and then you have another 3 full boxes at the bottom. Second page is 3 full boxes, 2 of them functional, but mostly this one is functional. Another 2 sets of date covers, more icons, but this time in a circle. And then you have your appointment labels or your labels and headers. You have some bows down at the bottom, and then you have your checklists here. And every kit comes with a mini sheet, which is composed of 3 habit trackers, 3 checklists and your half boxes, plus a big full box here and more deco. So I would prefer more quarter boxes, but I love this this full box. So that is the kit that you get, and they are usually very similar. She doesn't vary much the format of the kit at all. She got a much better quality paper, sticker paper, so there is that. And finally you have the washi. I love these little pouches that she is putting the washi with now. So inside you have this beautiful journaling card with the bicycle. It says, I have no idea what it says. It's French, I don't know. And the font is really difficult to read, but it's cute. It's really nice. Another item, you have your pen, which is okay. I don't know, it is very feminine and it's very dainty and chic, but it's not one of my favorites. I don't know why. I don't know, just didn't click. And then you have all of the washi, which we are going to show. Hey, so. Oh, dear Lord. Okay, so this is the washi that came with the box, and you've subscribed to the add-on you would get these as well. So I'll show the base kit, the base washi, and it's a lot of washi, guys. If you have a collection, it's definitely a lot of washi. And let's face it, washi will always have a new design, will always have something interesting and something that catches your eye. You just need to remember that sometimes less is more. And I say that with irony because I'm one of the main people that cannot control herself, and I have to keep getting washi. So I'm sorry for the noise on the background. Right, so let me open these up and I'll get back with you shortly. Okay, so I'll start with this one, which is the bows, and they are absolutely beautiful. It's the same pattern of the pen, and it is just the little flowery bows and flower background. So it is really nice. And you have that in 20 and 10 millimeters. Then you have this really, really beautiful color, which reminds me of Blush Baby, but with gold foil, which is one of the reasons I really wish Irene had done the Blush Baby in gold, because that is chic. That is really chic. And I love it. The combination is amazing. This is one of my favorites. Then you have this other color, and this is a new design. You have this single line, but it's a swirly line, and you have the bow there. I really like this design. It's very simple. You have, oops, you have the beautiful bicycles. I absolutely love this little bicycle. It is so adorable. Look at that. It is really cute. And she has a different bow on this one. Again, the color is really nice, and this is in, I think this is, let's see, yeah, 10 millimeters. A lot of 10 millimeters on this set. And then you have the city. So you have the Eiffel Tower, and you have the houses or neighborhood or whatever you want to call it. This is a very specific design. I don't see a lot of spreads being, I don't see myself using this on a lot of spreads, but I definitely see myself using this on dailies. Finally, you have this perforated washi tape with, oh, it's really thick. And you have a nice fleur-de-lis, I don't know how you say that, but this is a nice design. It won't pick up. Why is my camera so bad? That is the design. I absolutely love this design as well. It's very different, very delicate, and I really, really like it. So I approve of this one. Not that she needs my approval or anything, but I also like the sage color. I'm not very much of a green fan, but I do appreciate this color. And this roll is really thick. It's really bothering me. It's not a line, that's why. You have all of the 5 millimeters if you have the add-on, and so the add-on, oh, shoots. Okay. The add-on, you have the 5 millimeters of the bow washi. Now, here is not a critique, but an observation. Irene is a marketing genius because people love the bows, right? People go crazy about the bows. Now, if she included this one on the main box, some people, some collectors would not get the add-on. But because she includes it on the add-on, if you want the set, you have to buy the add-on. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is genius. That is marketing for you. So this would make a match. This is the heart design. Oh, always terrible. Okay, so this is the heart design in that cream color, which is absolutely stunning. Then you have the vine in sage, again that beautiful color, a little bit darker or more with a bluish tone, but it's really nice. And finally you have the dual line, or whatever she calls it, which is just plain blue and gold. These are the washi, and they're really nice. Now the last item is the mystery item, which comes in this little jewelry pouch. Words. And what you get is a nice little jewelry set, which I probably won't be able to use because I am allergic to anything but the real deal. And this is definitely not gonna be the real deal. I know that for sure. But it's beautiful. So what you have is the nice bow with a really long chain, and it's lovely. It is really nice, but unfortunately I can't use something that is not real gold. And this is probably just coated or something like that, and it won't work for me, but that's okay. And that's the mystery item, if you were curious and haven't seen any review of this subscription. So here the washi again, my cute little juniper, and I'll bid you adieu. I'll say goodbye here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you, lottles. Bye.